All right, so now we continue. Pour some flours on, not flowers, flour. Okay. And we're gonna break this into 2 pieces like that. Okay. Now we're gonna stretch one of them. You can, like, if it's too sticky, you can put some flour on top so you can stretch it nicely. Make sure you get the corners, that they're not too thick. Okay. Now we're gonna cut this into 4 because we're making it with cheese. If we were gonna make it with Nutella, I would do like a pizza in 8 slices. But now, since it's gonna be cheese, we're gonna do 4 because we need them richer. Then I'm gonna go wash my hands. Okay, so I already mixed the cheese here, just a little bit cheese and a sour cream. And you can really put any kind of cheese. I got the feta cheese, but you can do any cheese that you like from the store. Then make it flat like this. Now in this pan, we're gonna add the butter instead of oil. Now, if you have those cooking sheet, you can use that as well. But I like butter. All right, so the butter is here. Now we're gonna make this in a nice, stretch the bottom a little bit, cover the corners like that, and then start rolling it in like that, and then stretch these. Put them right here. You can see, I'm gonna do the same thing for this one. Stretch it. Pull this. I'm gonna do the same for the other one.